started with this site, Dwarka.com, and I think it's going to give wonderful opportunities to the students who are studying in Dwarka schools. And they'll get a lot of exposure. Plus, they will be able to communicate, and they can be engaged in so many activities which can be for those they'll be getting prizes. So that will provide them a lot of motivation and incentive to work further. And in fact also help these schools, the schools which are there in Dwarka, to come up. And since you conduct activities for all the schools, definitely there will be an incentive for the teachers, also for the students, and of course the heads. So definitely we look forward to your activities in the coming months, and definitely there will be a long association. Children get a lot of opportunities. When you're having all these activities for them, that gives them a lot of exposure. And it's not only academics, but they get an opportunity to have an overall development. It helps to promote the overall growth. So I think it's a wonderful idea. Students have cooperated. In fact, we had a lot of activities in the last few days, and the theme was Progressive India. So children, they did a lot of creative thinking, and as you could see, we have a lot of display work done in the reception area. And the children, they made collage, they did poster making on pens, and yes, so the children have really put in a lot of effort and given a very positive response. And I hope you find our children also good. And definitely, because I feel that they need a pat on the back, and they need motivation. So one of them get this opportunity, and if you give them even a token appreciation, I think that will help them to do better next time. Because this is the first time we had